Okay, I realized there was another program running on my computer that was keeping my sound from working correctly. So hopefully all the other videos have the right amount of sound. This is the overview of Module 3, which is Artificial Intelligence, Risk and Rewards. Now what we're going to cover in this particular module is a long look at two different things. Number one, we're going to look at not all of them, it's not a comprehensive list, but it's a major list of artificial intelligence tools out there, what they are and what they do, and at some level, how they work. The other thing we're going to take a look at is how artificial intelligence works in the workplace, what some of the challenges are associated with artificial intelligence, and as I've said before, I'm not opposed to the use of AI like Grok or ChatGPT, but if you're not going to do any of the work, it's going to become pretty obvious when you're trying to do it. That's one of the things I've observed in my years in cybersecurity, especially when we're trying to create programs and routines that handle certain things. If you don't understand the topic, AI is not going to help you. It's not, because it's going to use generic information. All right, that said, get through your readings first. That is always most important, because both the discussion boards and the quiz are going to be off your readings, and there is also a reflection. The reflection is to discuss from yourself which article you found most interesting, what features of that article were most interesting, and the idea is to get you writing again at the graduate level. There are going to be 2 lectures. One of them's posted already. I think the other one's not quite there yet. All right, so that is a general overview. Also, in Module 3, you are going to be required to get your working draft of your research paper to me, because what we don't want to do is push the research paper out till the end of the semester and then you're scrambling to get things done. So the idea was, give me your idea, then give me an outline with resources, then give me a rough draft. Okay, that's the overview of Module 3, Artificial Intelligence, Risk and Reward.